Hello, and welcome back to the FoodForce tutorial series. In this video, we will order a combo at McDonald's. Then we will track the progress of our order. Here we will order a combo. For this example, we will choose the BLT with crispy chicken. Click on Customize and then Combo. We will choose the fries as a side and then the chocolate triple thick milkshake as the drink. Finally, we will choose a size for the fries and the drink. Once everything is done, we can add everything to the order. We can modify the order at any time by clicking on an item's name in the receipt. We can now place the order and pay. After placing an order, a window opens up with the tracking details. As soon as the order is received and accepted by the restaurant, the preparing icon is displayed in blue. Just below, we can see the estimated remaining time for preparation. When the order is ready, the order number is displayed in the big blue box with the message "Order Ready." To retrieve our order, we simply need to show this number to the restaurant once we arrive there. Voila! All we have to do now is enjoy our meal.